Howdy everyone, this is Graham Fynham with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, I'm here at the Mirra Frisco. The Mirra Frisco, I'm at the pool time. Hey, so this is a very cool pool. This is on the first floor. It's right by all the other amenities. We've seen some of them already. Actually, a lot of them just all around here. But this is the pool itself. It's got a really nice fire pit. Some great tables with umbrellas. Really cool area over here for grilling. So you got 2 grilling stations. Just fire up that grill. It's free gas. You can grill veggies, fruits, falafel, meat, whatever you want to grill. Yes, by the way, tomato is a fruit. So when you grill fruits, grill tomatoes, you're grilling fruit. Anyway, this is what it looks like here. It's really cool. We're going to walk over here into the pool area. It's very long, so what I like is if you're a swimmer, you can actually swim. It doesn't have swimming lanes, but you can totally swim. This is probably, looks like to me, about 120 feet. It's really, really long. A lot of chairs in here too. There's some in the water. There's just some on the side here. And then there's these cool little mini cabanas that are over here. They're very fun. Just built for 2. How perfect. Romantic. Anyway, so it looks like this is the community itself. The community itself is really cute and fun. So it's just a great community feel in here, and I'm not surprised. The Mirra does a really good job of this. So anyway, that's the pool area. If you have any questions, or if you're ready to take a personalized virtual tour, we can set that up as early as today, and it's free. Send me a text. I look forward to hearing from you. I'd love to hear from you even right now, right when you're watching this, and it'd be a perfect time. Okay, now we're going to go see one more amenity, and then we're going to see a couple of apartments. The amenity we're going to see next is the co-working area. Let's go see that right now.